Childrens, here let us discuss the last problem in the exercise 8.4, that is, prove that 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is equals to tan square a, or 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole square is equals to tan square a. We will prove it by taking separately these two here. First, by taking the, let us solve it by taking here 1 plus tan square a whole divided by 1 plus cot square a. Let us write this in terms of sine and cos. So this is equals to 1 plus sine square a divided by cos square a whole divided by, because tan is what? Sin a by cos a. Similarly, 1 plus, here cot square can also be written as what? Cos square a divided by sin square a. Sin square a. Let us simplify this one again, children. So this is equals to, here this is equals to, take here cos square a into 1 is what? Cos square a. Here it is plus sin square a whole divided by what? Here again cos square a divided by cos square a whole divided by, simplify this one again, sin square a into 1 is what? Sin square a. Here it is plus cos square a divided by sin square a divided by sin square a. So this is equals to, you know the identity, sin square a plus cos square a is equals to what? 1. Here also sin square a plus cos square a is equals to what? 1. So it is 1 divided by cos square a whole divided by 1 by sin square a. 1 by sin square a. If we simplify this one again, children, keep numerator as it is, that is 1 by cos square a into denominator, if we multiply it, it becomes sin square a divided by 1. So this is equals to 1 into sin square a is what? Sin square a whole divided by cos square a into 1 is what? Cos square a. So this is equals to what? Tan square a. Hence the proof. It is the RHS. It is RHS. Okay. Again, we will prove it by taking this. This is the first step. You can prove it by either this or either by this. Anyone, what you want by using to prove it, you can use it. Here, I will solve both these two. Here, let us solve this one by taking next term, that is 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole square. This is equals to what? Whole square. So simplify this one again. Let us simplify this one again. This is equals to 1 minus, tan can also be written as what? Sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a whole divided by 1 minus cot a can also be written as what? Cos a by sin a. Cos a divided by sin a. Again it is whole square. Whole square. This is equals to, let us simplify this one again. Cos a into 1 is what? Cos a minus sin a divided by what? Cos a whole divided by, again sin a into 1 is what? Sin a minus cos a divided by sin a divided by sin a. Simplify this one again, children. This is equals to, if we simplify this one again, so this is equals to, here it is sin a minus cos a, or we will write numerator as it is, that is cos a minus sin a divided by cos a. If we convert it into multiplication, then it becomes sin A divided by sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A whole square. Again keep the square as it is, whole square. So this is equals to, here both these two terms are different. Here it is cos A minus sin A, here it is sin A minus cos A. We have to make them into same term. To make it same term, here I will take minus 1 outside. If I take minus 1 common, minus 1 outside, what is left here? This cos becomes minus. So it should be plus. To make it plus, here we have to take sin A minus cos A. Again it gives the same term. Minus into plus is what? Minus sin A. Minus into minus is what? Plus cos A. So whole divided by cos A into sin A divided by sin A minus cos A. Again whole square. Again it is whole square. So here both these two terms get cancels. Now both these two terms are same. This term and this term get cancels. What is left here? This is equals to minus 1 into sin A is what? Minus sin A divided by, here it is cos A whole square. So this is equals to, simplify it, minus sin A divided by cos A into minus sin A divided by cos A whole square means we have to multiply these two times. So this is equals to, minus into minus is what? Plus sin square A divided by cos A into cos A is what? Cos square A. So this is equals to tan square A. This is equals to tan square A. Hence the proof, children. This is how we can prove the problems by using the identities. Thank you. Watch and subscribe to my channel so you will get the next videos notification. Thank you, children.